It's here for me, Mamuni Akwaba, a Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So now the latest on Nana Piamens and say still all Dubai. Now government delegation I call a year Dubai ho say omuni Dubai for officials no eko kasa na mwano ombeja na ma a year government officials no mo de na bagana na say ye de no aba court na ya be try no ewo Ghana has ya. But experts be about say sounds say yachine wo Dubai no ebeye den say Dubai for no be no amagana for but still ye monitor issue no ye hwede e beko na maka na appearance another for we ho asem atremo owo UK na oka UK omo aminim ye fani KOD na waba out abeye audio bi ka say onim for sure say na appearance enche ye betene nka osionim for sure he has been reliably informed say Nana Piamensa no obekasa na yatene nka ntemo obi ansho nti no yenkofa nsema okekan yo kansem bebi o kansem efa government honso senior government enim no mo hihye ase Nana Piamensa kanana no okasa nsem ni na yenko tie nsema okekan.
I hope say and I know say for sure say very soon you're betting on one car. Very soon you're betting Nana Pianka. Very soon Nana Pianka became baby. Very soon to Ghana for. It's sad, near cousin, very sad. Nipa, you share you see Sikin na de call him. Now one is only one person. Ahiana obedience and obewu. If you see Ahiana Nipa bidi and san obewu. And I know say very soon no. You're betting Nana Pianka. You're betting Inka. If you believe say somebody has been arrested and you believe say police are chinning it, say the way I can, you should be allowed to take pictures. Criminal UK, you know, your criminals are. You should be if you want to know much what you draw pictures. Yeah, you draw pictures and they are normal. What you're saying, you draw pictures. I don't believe saying Nana Pia is a criminal, and I always say this. I don't believe from the bottom of my heart. I don't believe saying Nana Pia or you're criminal. And Anyakoso to Nana Pia is very sad. It's very, very sad. I keep telling you people every day. Customers, me mamu nye be stupid. Me mamu wo hono mun kesi na napia. Me mamu wo hono mun threaten on any family. Ni I say we any say. I will say forcing government to speak the truth and tell you guys what is going on. Because they be me see the only person na obeka na napia sem meji di a president. But president onim. Oh, Ibra started. Oh, Ibra, they forget. Ibra, you're useless. You penny papa. Crown for Ibra, criminal. Calling somebody else criminal. Who won't be that? So, Bibeka, if somebody crowd call an appear criminal, it's not people like Ibra. What I say, you are a scammer. Will you my fraud? Ukraine was say, ye ding. A banning an appear sema. Ma innocent people nenka. Nkofona omo ejuma omo to ade wo mokola ni nyamana omo di omusika abedu no momo munka na yen kame omo down enye obi ti say Ibra na Ibra enipa Ibra can you compare Ibra to Nana Apia Ibra wo de bia wo police station wakoda cells nyana ada no wo kra wo de no there's evidence wo kra Ibra wo kra wo de no kra there's evidence aya chiu wo your confirm ya chiu say there's evidence kra wo kra po you are walking free. And what for Nana Apia issue no serious. What for Nana Apia issue no. What for Nana Apia issue no serious. What you say? It's not fair. Ghanaians say, yeah, mo Ibra will say he's a criminal. He will get arrested. See. Ibra, one of the we are saying, one of the criminal saying, what job do you do, Ibra? What job do you do? What job do you do? And yeah, scam, Ghana boy is this scam foul so. What job do you do? So if the innocent people who call Nana Apia criminal, you as a game boy, you should rather stay calm and now Ukraine will say, oh yeah, it has to keep you quiet and obey my people assurance. What I say about also why you want to say lawyer Ibra? Lawyer Ibra now, yes, he will say this, yes, Nana Apia will say that, yes, Kwasia Semunkwa. Nana Apia is not your age mate. You've never met with Nana Apia before. You've never shared money with Nana Apia before. You've never done business with Nana Apia before. So Ibra, what is your problem? What is your problem? Ibra, oh no, you don't get anything. What on kasi nyina and aka ujiwa compare? Because who did dika? What on kasi nyina and aka ujiwa compare? And I say, boy, since you ma wijuma because who kasa. Ukasa. Now you say I will a problem. Should the well to you. If I'm going down, I'm not going down alone. I'll mention none a problem. She Ibra she Utu Nyanashishu. You said you mention names. You said Nana Pia any problem. Have you ever said Nana Pia or Tweety or Trocho way will be? Have you seen something like that? Or have you seen Nana Pia is writing on Instagram? If I'm going away, you see that thing before? No. Nana Pia be big man. Nana Pia be big man. She look at Kennedy Japan. You are saying, say, Nana Pia Mensah is your friend. Where were all of you when Nana Pia Mensah started Ponzi scheme? You Kennedy Japan, the way you talk, why didn't you come and tell Ghanaians 2 years ago, 3 years ago? Say, Akolawe or a bad boy, Akolawe or you say, but you wait for your brother to get before the crowd to form. Nana Kennedy Japan, you will wait. You claim somebody is your best friend. So a criminal was your best friend. A bad boy was your best friend. And you accepted him as a best friend. Ghanaians, listen, Kennedy Japan claimed Nana Pia Mensah is his best friend. A criminal who is duping Ghanaians is your best friend. And you accepted him as your best friend. How did he become your best friend? A criminal. A criminal. Kennedy Japan, this is my question to you. This is my question to Kennedy Japan. You claim Nana Pia Mensah is your best friend. So the criminal is your best friend. And you didn't tell us anything about this criminal until your best friend got issue. Before you come and sit on TV and be disgracing Nana Pia. Exactly. Then you're also a criminal. Thank you. Thank you, Godfrey. Then he's also a criminal. Kennedy Japan, say no can. Sano kan you see na me koto efie bi wo e friend is saying East Legon. Do you even have to mention all that? It's like competition. And Nana Pia went to buy $4 million and obubu ni nyana. All these things, are they important? Usi wa downfall. Ukoto baby. Now wakoto e purchase e bia ukra na ukache wa downfall so onkoto. So this whole thing, if you put it together, utu say ministers no omunim nyomoye. Omunim nyomoye. When Nana Pia was powerful, they couldn't step on his toe because you are scared. Enti na jealousy we chin kakra. Ye bompa or tough for my nyina, ye big chinani so, ye big tiani so. That is what they've done to him. Because where were all this in Kofu we you know Mokasa Sisiano, where were they when Men's Good was operating? Where were they? Where were they when Men's Good was operating? Where were they? Where were they? When Men's Good was operating, where were they? Why didn't they come and tell us? Say Men's Good, you see. Why didn't they come and tell us? Kennedy Japan, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I didn't want to be Gina Radio, so I can't wait. But you wait. You wait until the person gets into trouble before you people will come. He's a criminal, he's this, he's the. Why didn't you come and say to his face, Massa, Judge Jimmy, I know you're crying for Kennedy Japan? Why didn't you come and say it to his face? Because Kennedy Japan, ukasa o TV so ukasa. So why didn't you come and stand and say, hey, Massa, Jarof no Jakwasa, Ghana Sika, Ghana Fusika na odi akoto private Jakwasa. Why didn't you say that 2 years ago? Why didn't you say that 2 years ago? Why didn't you say that 3 years ago? Where were all these people? Where were they? Ghanaians, be careful who you spend it with. Be careful who you spend it with. All the people that were proud to take a picture with Nana Pia some years back, today, they are calling him a criminal. They don't want to take a picture with a criminal. They are even scared to show a picture of them and Nana Pia. They are even scared to show a picture of them and Nana Pia. All the people that were showing pictures of Nana Pia, where are they now? In Kofu people, where are they right now? Where are they right now? Where are they right now? Ghanaians, mumbiemweni, because yes, say in Kofu and Yamia small so mumbe yes, say first, you know, almost in Nana Piano, on your business be yes, in Nana Piano, or your Ponzi scheme, or Beji Peter, no the Etiapo, Peter, no the Etiapo. Mamen kachemu bibi. Mamen kachemu bibu. You say you never said Nana Pia is his best friend. You have go and watch the video again before I block you. Go and watch the video again. I post the video for my wall. Watch again. He said Nana Pia is a best friend. And you can say Tiana or you're careful. Go and watch my video again. Don't say things you don't know. Don't say things you don't know. Ghanaians, listen to me. you have a business. Yeah, you have a business. Okay, listen, you have a business. People put money in your business. Ghana government can confirm. Me catch a Ghana government. Me my Ghana government. Me catch them say I want to give them a challenge. And the challenge that I'm saying, omuyeni say before I be born and appear criminal no. Akolani gold no or exportifi Ghana. They should have records over there. Omube share records in say you share records so not in the past 5 years no na appear exporti gold money enough money to pay 10% for the past 10 years. A purchase and an appear for. The government should come and show us. 2014, he did this business. 2015, he did this business. He exported 200 kilograms of gold. He exported, and this money came into the country. This is what you have to do. Follow the trend. All the 5-6 years now, Krana business, follow trend, Now, I say, this guy, Ghanaians, we don't think this guy is having enough money coming into the country from the gold business he's doing. And this is the record. Our record shows say Nana Appiah is not getting enough money from this gold to pay 10%. Therefore, based on this evidence, we want to stop his business before he will create problem for Ghanaians. And these are all evidence-based. These are the things we need. Ghanaians, these are the things we need. No one evidence about. Nyomu say, how is it possible with 10%? How is it possible with 10% with their math? With their math, you can't do 10%. There's no bank here 10%. These are all marketing strategies. Your marketing strategy. What you say? Obey me aba, obey 10%. Onya enough customers. No one say okay. Ghana nyana this kaboma. Yenya 100 million the exporting gold. Say see ano 30% no so aba 4. Omuntu me nko because me no my business for a long time abuom obia isisi dan obia ye bibia so say ano is about what ombenya e dey maintain your so 30% so about 4%, and that's business strategy. Say ano he will concentrate on making profit. On him say first 5 years I will not make enough profit because I'm serving the country, I'm serving my people, but after I've got enough customers I'll then cut the percentage to 4%. And no one will even run away anyway because someone himself 4% cry me see me fear me BBA me see me fear me BBA so say I mean say Nana Appiah they about 4% cry okay, and that is where Nana Appiah was heading towards. Or a businessman, he's very smart. In every business, the start of it, we make losses before we make profit. Time aba Nana Appiah baby enjoy shadi a odi yeno. You understand? Yeah. Time aba Nana Appiah enjoy. Criminal be no yineni. Criminal be na if so we say Nana Appiah we are no kwa. Does Nana Appiah need to even come and try and explain about migration? We see we nyascano. Keep quiet. I'll keep quiet for your mother and house because you have been cool. But oko my block you. I'll start blocking again because you have been but oko my block you. But oko my block you. Yeah, me block you. We yet koko me block you. Because you have dos no Ghana anti development in Koso. Where Abrochi nearby yanka. Abrochi they will investigate too. Abrochi, we don't just take decision. No. This is why me brain be Abrochi, we don't just take decision. This is the reason why I'm not falling for Nyakoso or Ghana. No. Because you see, it has to be evidence based. Say, Kaso will be your confor. You have to give us evidence, Ghanaians. This is the reason why we are trying to protect you. First, BOGSECC, Omo form who is shame. Omo say, Odisika 2 men's good is at your own risk. And I say, okay, you may be any chrono so you better take a risk, Nessa. Yes, you better take a risk. This is no one say, still, Nana Appiah is not losing customers, and no one say, they will say, step in, I'm here stopping. Who catch and say, you didn't tell us, say you will stop it. You see, your own risk. I want to give an example. Who can ride a bicycle? No one share helmet is at your own risk. Now see who may ride a bicycle anyway. You understand? So why did you get involved? If you never got involved, and by this time, you're business with Nana Appiah. If just imagine that the government didn't get involved. Like by this time, you're business. You need problem. Like by this time, Nana Appiah will try. You need problem. Uncle be any aje, you need problem. Do you know how this thing has affected us? Do you know how this thing has affected us? You know, some comfort abroche, omo property discovered to men's gold. So you, the government, if you want to stop men's gold, you should have stopped it in a nice way. Jikotoda. Nafatune so. What you say? Yeah, jikotoda. Nafatune so. You see, Ghanaians, Mamen Kachemu Bibi, and yet about what you people see on TV. Because TV stations be bring Kromu nim your moka. Omu nim your moka, Nana Pia same way, one yen chain still Nana Pia. No obian chain. And why? Why? Because Omu need enough evidence of the bechino. Omu need enough evidence of the bechino. It's true. What you say? And I believe that Nana Pia were lawyers, or were strong lawyers. Or strong lawyers, and at the way, Omu to me, nah, he will stand. You see, you can't even type sense. My block you. I mean, block it the right person. Nah, I want to make sure that I block it the right person. My block you. He defrauded people in Dubai, including your father. My block you. He defrauded people in Dubai. When say Dubai for Obia defrauded people in Dubai that money. Dubai for me to chop pictures crossing Obia. Ghanaians be more Jimmy. Mo Jimmy o police say ya call no makosh akosrano. Nobody even recorded anything. Criminal. See, criminal omu ye break it omu they have certain confidentialities. But criminal ye chiwa o pictures ni o voice any nyama ye break it our confidentiality no. You bet me chow picture because you should show like police warrants that also, so they have the right in no, they have the right to take in pictures. They have, because as proof. They have the right to listen to his voice. Again, Intiana Yachino, they have the right to. Also, my block you with their own chow, so there's no point to even talk. But up to now, have they given us anything? Yeah, they haven't given us anything. Police no mukanya. Listen, Ghanaians, let me tell you something. The only person I'll be kasa, a correct, a real president. I'm telling you today. The president in Kasa about men's good issue now. Mamun forget you be I tell you people today. The president Mbeka said, I will make sure men's good CEO is brought to justice. And then what is stopping your president Sobe Kansa? What is stopping him? Your president to me Kasa about Shatawale or to me Kasa about Stoneboy. There's nothing wrong, say your president, I vote Yamano, on to me and catch her and say, I'll bring men's good CEO to justice. And Obeka said, my team is working so hard to bring men's good CEO to justice. You understand? Yeah. If I talk, the president no talk that. This issue, the police them, they talk, then what they get? Then what they get? Say them, I shall say them they talk out of it. They say them they talk of their heads. Maybe they get small money for men's good. You see, maybe them say they get small. Me, if some police or some minister we can't talk for Ghana, I just they watch them. I say you kwasia for we. It be true. I just they watch them that they laugh. Our president no talk. See, if it be America, say like Donald Trump, he tweet. If it be America like Donald Trump, he tweet. Say, the only person or Kasa, Moon said Nana Pia Kronfo, Nanado. I did tell you, if Nanado no talk about Nana Pia issue, Nana Pia be innocent. I did tell you. Be some secret I did tell you people today. Those way them get ears, make them listen. Those way them no get ears, make them fool. You see Nanado, Kennedy Japan Munino Mususa, or Munfi Susa. Nana Pia Ninfi a son. Nana Pia Nfi, a share, your president, na Ninfi Asia, president na Ninfi Susu Ubia, Nana Pia day in down. I tell you some secret today. If the president can write for tweet, yeah, if he can't write for Twitter, or if the president can't tweet, say, listen, if the president can't tweet, say, forget information minister, I be baller. Forget finance minister, I be baller. I tell you secret too. Them all Nana appear they not them my name self no they appear. Nana appear self no they take picture with them. Almost so. Is it say Nana appear self this them before? BOG boss cry this Sam. I give you some apo, me ma wapobi. Mima wa pobi. Won't say Nana Pia, you know see those people. BOG boss crab kasayo this say no. Aha. I dey tell you some secret. The only person where if you talk, men's gold customers, you go start the fear. You go start the fear. No say your money loss be the president. The day the president will tweet that myself and my team, listen to sense. Oh, the day the president will tweet that myself and my team will bring the CEO of Men's Go to justice, we all go start the shake. That be when, yes, pressure come down. That be when shaking come down. But if the president don't write that, the rest all be bogus. I they tell you secret, one secret from today. You see, say the president no fit talk till now. You see, say if those totofifi people they back, then them be totofifi. Me self I no see them. Me self I no see them. I they give you some apport. Our president can tweet that people should even go to Stonebwoy show. But our president go fit tweet that Men's Gold customers, calm down. We will do our best and bring Nana Appiah-Mensah to justice. Our president no fit talk that. Is that making sense to you? You they see where they go? Abi they see where they head to? Yes, it is something they tell. Some secret they tell you. Some top secret they tell you. You see, say Nanado can write. Stonebwoy musician kiko. He can write, say make people self go support in show and things. So why say this issue bon way they concern customers? If they concern customers, where customers they die, the president no talk. The president no talk because himself he no know waiting they go on. He shock. He know. Let me tell you some secret today. I want to tell people some secret why I gave him. Why I gave him why. Oh, information minister was talking on behalf. Why is it that the information minister or minister of your friend is saying sports needs entertain? Why wouldn't they rather meet Shatawale and Stonebwoy on behalf of the president? Let me tell you something. The time where them they go kill, I tell you one secret. Time no muko kun Osama bin Laden no. Soja ni no kuku no be announce ya na president ni be announce ye. Wana ne be announce is Osama bin Laden mo kunu. Wana ne be announce ye. Say president be announce ye. Oni mientia because Osama bin Laden no cause no a state incident, a international incident. Sa asem no a painful and I announce it. Until no president no kuku bin Laden, but no be announce ye. Listen to sense. So it be something they tell you. This issue they go on. This issue they go on. The person for announce. Because President Peno announce here. Ebeka say, now President announce say, Nana Appiah Kronfo no de unti. He's the last person to we go announce. We go fit take him serious. He's the last person we go announce. We go take him serious. I they tell you. Pictures they circulate. Then talk self say, Nana Appiah no president, blah 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 blah. That self for me, the president self can declare him. Say, hey, listen, Nana Appiah-Mensah has caused this and this in Ghana, and it is against the law. We will make sure wherever he is, my team and I will bring him to justice. But you have every stupid police who call radio station and say, our people went there. They went there and they saw him. Yes, it's him. They went there and they saw him. Yes, it's him. So we want to make sure, we want to liaise with Dubai, this thing, and break nonsense. Nonsense. How many stories have they been telling you? How many stories have they been telling you? How many stories have they been telling you? How many stories where none of them has come to pass? How many stories have they been telling you? Charlie, Nana Appiah no. On to me fight will first almost a Ponzi scheme. Now see almost employ good business. Adena we BOG ni SEC into me beka che say akola no export good BA in fi Ghana but omunim good anya odi fi Ghana
Saleta BPA yena you see Nana Appiah ama company be 720 kilograms 750 kilograms of gold no 750 ade na BOG ni SEC ambeka say yentro on shipping gold sign fee Ghana ade no muntu mi beka enu die nkofo hu enu die nkofo hu sa question ni die mumbisa sa question ni die mumbisa say is it true BOG ni SEC mumbeka say oh oboa on shipping gold sa mumbeka BOG ni SEC come and confirm to Ghanaians say oh yentro on shipping gold bi sa ye nim gold bi sa come and confirm but confirm me my Ghanaians unto me confirm me let me tell you something abroche law ni ye juma o bibia wa abroche yeah law evidence say Nana Appiah a Ponzi schema. They have all the details in Ghana. They should be able to prove by now. They've not been able to show one evidence. It's just word of the mouth. They just come and they talk. They just come and accuse him with the mouth. You people, open your eyes. I tell you, open your eyes. They are taking you people for a fool. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. They are taking you people for a fool. But the day when Nana Appiah will come and talk before you people will start, oh, KOD talk, the day Nana Appiah is a Ghanaian. Nana Appiah or a Ghanaian, he no go anywhere. And this issue, he no go run away, go anywhere. His father, mother are from Ghana. His wife, children, everybody be from Ghana. See, can you millions of dollars, $300-400 million or whatever. Nana Appiah, he no be di and son obi. Anya no be di. Enti onimsa den your Ponzi scheme later yawabe happen. Later say no yeah. What are you telling me? He dey my house. Where is he now? He dey my house. People, I tell you, I write to my Facebook say he dey Dubai. He dey Dubai right now. Because he there's some company be. I just say there's some company be do business. That company, that thing be true. He dey now company do business. He be call Ghana where he talk say he dey chasing money for Dubai. Where the Horizon or whatever company, now them they deal with Ghana government. If the Ghana government then they come give that Nana Appiah Mensah. When Nana Appiah Mensah send them 720 kilograms of gold. Them know all these things, they are not talking about it. You understand? Me see the only person or Kasa Muntie, the only person or Kasa Muntie or Ghana, the only person or Kasa Memeja Tum say Nana Appiah your Kronfo a president. I they tell you. Anybody else? Share, my make a baby. I do where I make a baby on person mu ye be omunye. I did make I tell you put something today. Baby on person, and this is the truth of the whole thing where they go on. Baby on person mu ye be omunye. Ya papa nanado. Onim say onim ena me can because me nim so nim say Nana Appiah onye Kronfo onim say Nana Appiah onye Kronfo 1 onim nso say Nana Appiah or Ghana for 2 which he loves it, he's proud of it. But ninkofo no ni omu ye adwuma na ma na hu say daddy so also be this o pa akola we asema ye be fi power next year so also be DH say open asem you be feel power next year because akola no ono obetumi sponsor party bia manaba power. It be the truth I dey tell you people, and there's nothing on pomunkume. That is the truth. I would like to say me woo cry because me name the truth. I would like to say me woo because me cut the truth. It's true. It's true. Minister of Finance ni nyama nyina o mama ye president atini wase say nipa we se wo si open asem na wo si wo de yiwenim na ye yemfa ni ndili yiweni onye wa asem it's got nothing to do with you. Ye ni be deali. Ye be breaking. Yes, Nana Appiah he sponsors everything. Onu bibi obe sponsor. And onu who did he start business with? And he may be up and this for be brasem and maybe up Dumase. He can sponsor anybody. He's got friends, maybe NDC friends. He can Nana Appiah can sponsor everybody. And also sponsors for millions. enti wu Nana Addo say ye can be a also penasema obi ye fi power next year. To come into power is to come into power e ye drew ete na ediba power unim drew ete na ediba power say we sponsor ye stronger, who campaign ye strong. So who are some of the strong members in the country? I will say cut them off before 2020. Nyoma na PA who shows up to me sponsor obi. Want to me sponsor obi a Nana Appiah can sponsor anybody. Nana Appiah can sponsor NDC. Nana Appiah can sponsor Park with Indum. Nana Appiah can sponsor all the other parties. Because on Ukraine is saying twice. But when I money twice, MPP4. So I didn't need Jumana no my. By this time, Oman no champagne, Abobo Munsim, Ahagi Omo, and one no my. Who is the strongest? Our breaking now. To me, phobia and power. Nana Appiah. He became one of the strongest in Ghana. We all know. He was everywhere. Sponsoring Premier League. He was everywhere. He was is the only criminal who he commutes in face for everywhere. A criminal who is not scared. Kronfo Unsuru. He in face. Gayi for everywhere. Nana Appiah Mensah. A big threat. Or a big threat. He was so unified. I will say unified. One you name if you want no man. You be seen yet. You not get nothing. Okay, so I block you because you not get nothing. Thank you. I block you. It is people that my money. Where the evidence they? So Ghanaians, make people open your eye. No ma Ghana for who say Nana Appiah no. Udie omuma ye evidence. Omuma ye enough evidence. Say Nana Appiah Kronfo a yebeja to. I remember mun say anything why. Yeah, I supporting Nana Appiah nye because of BBL. Hey, nkofo be brave. Just say Kodi, maybe they give her money that way they talk. Bema, I don't need that. Hey, nyame wo so nim. I swear heaven and earth. I swear heaven and earth. I don't need that. But nobody knows 10 years from now. Nobody knows 6 years from now. But me becoming the way Nana Appiah Tiano. Does it mean say they will do the same thing to me? Does it mean say they will do the same thing to me? And therefore, even if someone is able to do the same thing to me, may I expect to say one of you will also stand up and do the same support. Give me the same support. What I'm doing, my reward is in heaven. It's not in anybody's pocket. We have plenty of people that are rich, but they are fighting for their life right now in hospitals. It's not about money. It's about good health. It's about living good. It's about being happy. And it's about speaking the truth and living a loyal life. If you take money and you do something that you know is wrong, if you take money and you do something, when the money finishes, then your guilty conscience start playing up with you. Then your guilty conscience start playing up with you. Yes. So I will not take money to stop. If Nana Appiah Mensah were duping Ghana for, why do I need to take money to support that? How much can enemy this house can for? Nyame beka say who bo be no duping for. Is that what you are telling me? We don't do that. It's all pure loyalty. It's all pure love. Some of us need be ni any action in your koso. Nah, it's related to that, so there's no way you can say you're not going to bring it in. No, I'm not perfect, and you would disagree with me with certain things. I'm human. Say you be a female, no baby, 100%. Me nipa. I might be making a lot of sense. I might be making 85% sense. 15, no, I'm human, so it's fine. Oh, I block him, forget that person, I block him. So it's true. Nyama bin wo wa can. I be way by the cre. Because I work for him, not everyone knows this truth. So how do you know all this underground truth? Maybe God did deliver the message to me. God, it pass through. It communicates everything they need me to tell people. It could take give me, then me I just go come and can't deliver. It be true. Me, I just go calm down, I can't deliver. Yeah, but later everybody go understand. Nana Appiah mess and study him like book. I read Nana Appiah, I study him like book. Before I decided to follow that guy, I read him like book. I read him like book. We understand him. I know how to evaluate in I read Nana Appiah. I read them. I finish the book. We have some do recap. I they talk. I know what they talk. Me they are go support Nana Appiah forever and ever. Whatever somebody won't do me, make it do. Attire. Whatever somebody won't do me, make it do me. Attire. You understand? Attire, yeah, attire. So Ghanaians, Charlie, Nana Appiah there very soon. No, only ebe kasa why? Very soon, Nana Appiah, you be telling County ebe kasa. I mean, Shamunyina, keep supporting Nana Appiah. Keep supporting Nana Appiah. And God bless all of you. Never give up on Nana Appiah. He's not a criminal. That's all I want to say to you people. I'm supporting Nana Appiah. Once a time now, she can't walk on no. Now you don't see us. We are like angels. Once an angel, just say be a car accident, be a Siana baby before they turn up. No way you with him. Yes, me, I'm like an angel. I'm like an angel. Once she can't walk on no, and you never saw this ugly face. You never time na Nana Appiah or enjoy na Ghana food na. You see, you never saw this ugly face. I'm an angel. Sikano Subabaka, you will never see this face again. This face will disappear again. I'll go back to my normal life. I won't even talk about it again. I'm just there monitoring everything. Obito from Nanami Wahonam say, bro, sorry. BPI, you okay? Why? You don't mean no harm. We're a good person. That is me. I'm an angel. I'll support Nana Appiah. I'll support him until I die. I'll support him. If you know more born to comfort through his punishment, I'll say to him, you deserve. Say, and I prayed for him last night, and I make a chair. Nyame say, Nyame. Say, no cre. Say, Nana Appiah your comfort. Forgive him, but trina soon. Let him face the law. Banyame, and Nyam passe. Nana Appiah your comfort. Don't let his enemies laugh at him. Deliver him from this. Because you are God of all. Human beings are not bigger than you. I told God that last night. Last night, Nana Appiah, me bombay man. Me say, Nyame, say yam papa, say Nana Appiah your cromfo. Say yam pa, say Nana Appiah your cromfo. Forgive him first. But momunchina soon. Let him go through the right channel. No man the right punishment on the man. Because punishment, why in the Bible, no say a year. Because a trini paso and a money pa dream yet a biffy banyame sakola way and yakron for everything that he's lost, his image, everything, his money. God, pay him everything back. Pay him everything back. And shame his haters. Shame all of them. That was my prayer to God. That was my prayer to God. God bless all of you for watching me. I'll be doing more